If you're planning a trip to Birmingham or just curious about it, I've spent way too many weekends wandering Brum's canals and stuffing my face with curry. It's got this gritty history and high energy that just hooks you. I'm going to tell you best things to do, straight from my heart. Just the good stuff that'll make you book that train ticket. Let's dive in. Okay, if you're a bookworm like me, the Library of Birmingham is basically heaven on earth. This massive, modern beast opened in 2013, and it's the largest public library in the UK. Think escalators spiraling up like a sci-fi dream, with rooftop gardens for epic city views. I've lost hours in the Shakespeare Memorial Room, surrounded by original folios. It's free entry, rated 4.5 stars on TripAdvisor from over 3,800 reviews, and super accessible via the West Midlands Metro tram. A light at Centenary Square and you're there. You can't visit Birmingham without hitting the canals. It's got more miles of them than Venice, believe it or not. Picture this. You're sipping a coffee, weaving past narrow boats under brick bridges, and suddenly you're in this peaceful bubble away from the city rush. Head to Brindley Place for the best vibe. It's got tree-lined squares and pop-up markets on weekends. Locals love it for a chill afternoon. Grab a bike from the Santander scheme if you're feeling active. Look out for the canal ghost tours, which are especially spooky fun around autumn. They typically run from Sherborne Wharf, so check their schedule before you go. Who doesn't love chocolate? Cadbury World is my guilty pleasure. It's like stepping into a Willy Wonka fever dream, but with actual history. Founded in 1824, this spot in Bourneville traces the chocolate-making magic, complete with a 4D cinema ride and free samples. Yes, really. It's got a 3.7 rating from 10,000-plus visitors. It's an absolute favorite for families. It's a quick bus ride from the city center, perfect for a rainy day fix. For history buffs, Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery is unmissable. Housed in a stunning Victorian building, it's packed with pre-Raphaelite masterpieces like Rossetti's works that just pull you in. I've stood there mesmerized by the industrial exhibits, remembering how Brum powered the Industrial Revolution. Free entry, and it's got a solid 4.5 on Google Locals swear by the Wednesday talks for deeper dives. Hop off at the museum stop on the tram. It's part of the same grand building as the Council House, right on Chamberlain Square. If you're with kids or just young at heart, Thinktank is where the magic happens. This hands-on science spot explores everything from dinosaurs to space rockets. It's Birmingham's go-to for interactive fun, with a planetarium that's out of this world. Easy reach via train to Birmingham Moore Street. Top rated for families and entries about £15. Value for money, especially with the new ecosystem zone, which showcases local wildlife and the city's green projects. It's a great way to see how science is shaping Birmingham today. Digbeth is Brum's creative underbelly, known for its public art scene. Especially around the custard factory and along the canals, you'll find permission walls and building surfaces covered in incredible work. Getting a street art tour here feels like stumbling into a living gallery. Graffiti legends like Banksy have left their mark. Digbeth is where you can feel that authentic, industrial energy today. You can walk with a coffee from a hidden cafe. It's free, raw, and full of that edgy energy. Recent buzz on social media calls it a must for urban explorers. And trams drop you at Digbeth Stop Explore on foot for the full thrill. Escape the urban hustle at the Birmingham Botanical Gardens. 35 acres of lush paradise with a butterfly house that's straight up enchanting. I've picnicked here under the glasshouses, watching exotic birds flit about. It's won green flag status for its upkeep. Perfect for a sunny September day, and they often host unique events, from bonsai exhibitions to seasonal markets. It's always worth checking their website to see what's on during your visit. Entry's £10, and it's a short bus from the center. Pack a sandwich and thank me later. Birmingham is the curry capital of the UK for a reason. It's the birthplace of the Balti. Back in the 70s, local chefs invented this amazing, fast-cooked dish. It's British Western fusion of South Asian flavors, served and cooked in the signature thin-walled Balti bowl. But don't sleep on the street food scene. Keep an eye out for pop-up markets like New Street Eats or Digbeth Dining Club, which bring global stalls from Korean barbecue to vegan tacos right into the city center. Locals come here for the vibes and live DJs. Or hit the bullring for high street eats with a view. Nightlife in Brum? The Birmingham Hippodrome is my pick for that wow factor. It's got that historic charm from 1899. This grand old theater hosts everything from West End ballets to massive musicals. I've seen shows here that give London's theaters a run for their money. Check their schedule online, because you might just catch a touring blockbuster. Tickets start at £20 and it's a 10-minute walk from New Street Station. For something low-key, indie gigs at the Midlands Arts Centre keep it real. Finally, you have to explore a neighborhood that's a true national treasure, the Jewellery Quarter. This historic area still produces around 40% of all UK jewellery. It's not just shops, it's a living museum with over 200 listed buildings, incredible architecture, and fascinating tours at places like the Museum of the Jewellery Quarter. I love grabbing a pint in a historic pub here, like the Rose Villa Tavern. It's a glimpse into the industrial soul that built this city, and it's a must-do any time of year. And there you have it, 10 ways to fall in love with Birmingham, from chocolate highs to canal lows. Whether you're a first-timer or a repeat offender, this city's got soul that'll stick with you. What's your favorite Brum spot? Drop it in the comments below. And if this sparked your wanderlust, hit that like button and subscribe for more UK adventures. Go explore. Brum's waiting. Cheers!